Shawa from Three Begums Kitchen. I'm going to show you how to cook another quick curry. This is Aubergine Bharta. This is a very typical dish for West Bengal in India and also Bangladesh. Now you can have two kinds of bharta, but whatever it is, the initial ingredients are first cooked, boiled or burnt sometimes, and then you can add chopped onions, chopped chilli, dhania leaves, and one of the basic ingredients is mustard oil. But here I have changed it a little bit. What I do is instead of serving it all raw, the onions and everything, I use fried onion and then fry everything together. You can have bharta with various mixed vegetable and I use aubergine bharta but add a little bit of potato with it so that it has a nice body. So here it is. Here are the ingredients for the aubergine bharta. I chopped up the aubergine and I cooked it in the microwave for about, it was large aubergine. I had to cook it for about 8 minutes and then make sure that it was thoroughly cooked. And then the baking potato, I also microwaved it and mashed it all up. And this is chopped onion, but if I was doing it for a special occasion, I would actually do very thinly sliced onion, but this is just as tasty. And then vegetable oil and salt to taste. So here we are. I'm going to pour three tablespoons of, or let's do 2.5 and see how it goes. We can always add, that's something about Indian cooking. You can always add as you go along. It doesn't have to be absolutely precise, so never worry about doing anything that might be a little bit more or a little bit less. Now I'm going to cook the onions a little until it's slightly brown, and then I'm going to add the other ingredients. I haven't got any dhania leaves chopped up. That would give it another flavor. We'll have to do without, and I normally use whole green chilies, again just for the flavor. I haven't got that either. But you can add it yourself. Don't use anything else apart from dhania or coriander leaves because you don't want the flavors to be ruined. Right, I think the onion is now brown, so I shall start putting the other ingredients in. You could add the salt when you are microwaving these, but I haven't. So I'm going to add the salt now. Remember, Indian recipe is not absolutely precise, so you can change it as and when you like. By the way, I think the oil is probably a bit too much, So 2 would have been fine. And again, I don't like a lot of salt. You can do it to taste. There you are, it's all done. And I'm now going to dish it out. There you are. If I had fried, which you can buy these days, fried onions in packets, then I'd sort of embellish it on top, but I haven't got that. It doesn't add a lot. This is a finished Aubergine Bharta, and even though it hasn't got the dhania leaves, still smells gorgeous.